In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log out from LinkedIn. Before we get into the specifics, let us make sure you are logged in. If you are not, do not worry. It is a simple process. Just open your preferred web browser and head on over to LinkedIn.com. You will be greeted with options to sign in using your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, you can use your email address and password for access. And here is something to keep in mind. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your LinkedIn account, be prepared for an extra step. LinkedIn will send a verification code to your registered phone number. Just enter that code when prompted. And you are set. Now that we have ensured access to your LinkedIn account, let us explore the process of logging out. You will find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage. It is that familiar place where you see your network and updates. Focus your gaze on the top right corner of the page where your profile picture resides. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you are looking for the Sign Out option. It tends to be towards the bottom of the list. With one click of Sign Out, you will be promptly logged out of LinkedIn on this web browser. It is really as simple as that. Logging out is not just about finishing a session on LinkedIn. It is an important step in ensuring your account's security, especially if you are using a shared computer or accessing the internet through a public network. Completing this process safeguards your professional communications and contact list from unauthorized access. Think of it as a key step in maintaining your professional boundaries and personal security. So, to wrap things up, that is your quick and straightforward guide to logging out of LinkedIn. Remember, anytime you finish using your LinkedIn account on a device that is not personally yours, or even if you are just done interacting on the platform for the day, practice good security hygiene. Take that extra moment to log out. It is one small habit that can make a significant difference in keeping your online presence safe and sound. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.